Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a ticket bot on Discord. First, you'll need to select a suitable bot. Popular choices include TicketTool or Tatsu. Once you've made your selection, invite the bot to your server, granting it the necessary administrator permissions. It's crucial to have a dedicated category within your Discord server where all new ticket channels will be created, keeping your server organized and efficient for both staff and users. Next, let's create the ticket panel itself. You'll typically use a bot command, such as /setup or /panel create, to begin this process. Designate a specific channel where this interactive panel message will be displayed for your members. Take the time to customize the panel's message, button text, and even add a relevant emoji. This ensures your users clearly understand how to open a support ticket, making the process intuitive and user-friendly for everyone involved. Now, let's dive into customizing your ticket options. It's important to define which roles, such as support team or moderators, will have the ability to manage and respond to tickets. You can also set a limit, perhaps 1 or 2, on the maximum number of open tickets a single user can have at any given time. Don't forget to configure features like automatic transcript saving and custom closing messages, which enhance professionalism and provide a clear record of all interactions. Finally, it's time to test your new ticket system. Impersonate a regular user and open a ticket, then close it, ensuring everything functions as expected. Provide thorough training for your staff on how to efficiently use the bot, including responding to, closing, and managing tickets. Remember to regularly review your ticket logs and bot settings. This proactive approach helps you identify areas for optimization, ensuring your support system remains smooth and effective for all your Discord community members.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.